Alright, good evening everyone. Today is the second day on our cruise. We're at sea the whole day. So today we just hung out in the lobby and just different areas of the ship. I was able to watch how they made martinis and actually won a martini. You can watch it. And went to go check out to see how to stay healthy and all that. So it was a lot of fun today. Then workout later this afternoon, getting ready to feast again for our big dinner tonight. Adjacent room. Everyone's getting ready. Everyone all dolled up.
Hi! Aloha! Getting ready for the prom. The cruise prom.
Good morning, Good morning, everyone. Today is July 3rd. Oh no, July 4th. And it is 4th of July. Hello. And we're in Ketchikan, Alaska. Look at that ship. All in America. And we're on the Princess.
We just know.
We can drive about 33 miles along the waterfront and then the road stops. It's all the farther you can go. In a car anyway. But we can go by boat or by air, any place we want. And Ketchikan was incorporated as a city in 1900.
So here we are in Ketchikan. Alright, taking a pit stop right now. These are all the Jeeps. Oh, we use the back. Yeah, the other guys. Hey everyone, so we just got back from our tour. The Jeep and the canoe was so good. Now we're celebrating 4th of July parade. It's right over here, so make sure you come and join us and celebrate. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Yeah. Did you see us waving to you on the bus earlier?
Oh, thank you.
Water.
Supporting baseball.
Officially started the parade. I feel like my legs moving.
Yeah, me too.
It's called sea legs.
Yeah.
Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service. Aloha. Hey, I'm gonna act it all up, man.
They're leaving.
They're leaving. Oh, Princess Cruises! There's Princess Cruises. Yay, Princess!
Maybe the one.
Hi! Hey, Philippines! Go Philippines! Here we go, Arctic Bar. Gee, talk. You're on vlog.
Hi, welcome to Ketchikan. We just watched the parade and well, after that we just came from eating the best clam chowder. I'm not even on your, am I on view?
Yes. Yep. Here's our ship. And here's Ed. How do you like Alaska so far?
Good, good. The clouder was excellent.
All right, everyone. How was Ketchikan?
It was awesome.
You like it?
TV if you can.
Catch me if you can. Here's our ship getting back on. It is pretty tall. Pretty high up there.